Hey there, cruise lovers! Welcome to the Blessed to Travel YouTube channel. We're so excited for you. Cruising is one of our favorite ways to travel. It's like all the fun of a vacation, but the buffet comes to you. What's not to love about that? But before you get to enjoy all those delicious buffets, you have to pack. And that can be a little overwhelming. So today, we're diving into the top cruise packing essentials you absolutely can't forget. We're talking about the things that will make your trip smoother, more comfortable, and way more fun. Think of it this way. The right packing list is like having your own personal cruise director, making sure everything goes smoothly. Now let's get packing. First things first, we gotta make sure you can actually board that ship. That's where your passport and travel documents come in. It's like the golden ticket to your dream vacation. Make sure your passport is up to date and won't expire during your trip. Trust me, you don't want to be stuck at the port while your friends are off sipping cocktails on deck. Keep those documents safe and sound in a waterproof pouch. You'll be glad you did when you're splashing around in the pool or braving a tropical downpour. Okay, now that the official stuff is out of the way, let's talk shoes. Cruises are all about exploring new destinations, and that means lots and lots of walking. You'll want a pair of comfortable walking shoes that can handle cobblestone streets and long days of sightseeing. Think sneakers, comfy sandals, or even stylish flats. And here's a little tip: break those shoes in before your trip. There's nothing worse than getting stuck with blisters on the first day of your vacation. We all love a little sunshine, but it's important to protect ourselves, especially on a cruise. The sun can be strong out on the open water, so pack plenty of sunscreen. Don't forget your sunglasses either. They'll shield your eyes and make you look super cool in all those vacation photos. And if you really want to be a sun protection superstar, throw in a wide-brimmed hat for good measure. You'll be looking stylish and staying safe from those harmful UV rays. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when you're out and about exploring new places. But who wants to spend a fortune on bottled water? That's why a reusable water bottle is a must-have for any cruise. Simply fill it up at the ship's water fountains, or ask your friendly cabin steward to keep it topped off. Plus, it's good for the environment. You'll be reducing waste and saving those sea turtles one sip at a time. One of the best parts of cruising? Formal night. It's a chance to dress up, have a fancy dinner, and maybe even dance the night away. Now, you don't need a ball gown or a tuxedo, unless you want to, of course, but pack at least one formal outfit that makes you feel fabulous. For women, a cocktail dress or a stylish pantsuit is always a good choice. And for men, a button-down shirt with dress pants or khakis will do the trick. Don't forget those dancing shoes. And there you have it. Your cruise packing checklist is almost complete. Check the description below to see a list of a few more items. If there is anything that we may have left out, please share in the comments. Now you can sit back, relax, and get ready for an amazing vacation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Bon voyage!